Ever dreamed of starting your own business? You've got the killer idea, the drive, the passion, but then reality hits. Accounting software makes your head spin, traditional banks seem stuck in the dark ages, and who even has time to wade through mountains of paperwork? Well, fear not, fellow entrepreneur. Today we're diving into the world of fintech, specifically a game changer called Tide. But before we explore its features and see if it's the perfect fit for your business, there's a burning question we gotta answer first. Where in the world is Tide Bank from? Intriguing, right? Because the truth is, Tide isn't exactly a bank in the traditional sense. It's a fintech company, a financial technology company, to be precise. While it offers many features similar to a bank, there are some key distinctions. Think of Tide as your all-in-one business finance hub. Founded in 2015, this innovative company hails from the United Kingdom, with headquarters nestled in the heart of London. But their reach goes beyond borders. Their mission is to empower small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs, all across the UK. So, why not a traditional bank? Well, Tide was built from the ground up specifically for the needs of growing businesses. They understand the struggles, the limited time, the complex finances, the constant need for streamlined solutions. That's where the fintech part comes in. Tide leverages the power of technology to create a mobile-first platform. Forget endless paperwork and frustrating phone calls. With Tide, you can manage your business finances from anywhere, anytime, all through your smartphone. Now, this doesn't mean Tide operates in a financial vacuum. They partner with established financial institutions to provide core banking services like account holding and money transmission. But the magic lies in the user experience. It's all about making your life easier. So, what can Tide offer your business? Here's a quick rundown. Business current accounts. Think of this as your business's digital piggy bank. Manage your income and expenses, send and receive payments, and gain instant access to your funds. Integrated tools. Tired of juggling multiple platforms for accounting, invoicing, and bookkeeping? Tide seamlessly integrates these functions, saving you precious time and eliminating the headache of data entry across different apps. Expense cards. Issue virtual or physical cards to your employees for business expenses. Track spending in real time, set spending limits, and gain valuable insights into your business outgoings. Loans and overdrafts. Need a little breathing room to bridge a cash flow gap or finance an upcoming project? Tide offers access to business loans and overdrafts, all conveniently managed through their platform. Now, is Tide the perfect solution for everyone? As with any financial product, it's important to do your research and see if it aligns with your specific needs. But for many small and medium-sized businesses in the UK, Tide's innovative approach and focus on convenience can be a game changer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.